Let's start. So, very good morning.
Morning, sir.
So, what do you want to show to me?
Our model is water pump mini fan working anti-clockwise and clockwise, and our third model is emergency light.
Okay, so today is your first day
Yes, sir.
of your robotics and AI lab.
Yes, sir.
How you feel it?
Sir, I will feel very good because that's the first school in Devariya which have AI robotics facility.
Okay. So, are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about you?
I'm also excited, sir.
So can you explain me what is this basically?
Sir, this is battery.
Okay.
This is processor. This is female wire. This is buttons.
Hmm.
And this is mini fan. This is motor.
Okay.
And this is pipe. One pipe.
Can you illustrate me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, show me the working model.
Sir, I am put the wire into the output tube. I am put and I am on the battery. This red light is on,
Okay.
and I am press the button.
Okay. On button. Okay.
The working, and the second is mini fan. Battery is also on, and I
Okay.
am press the button, and then I am put the this, and this is
What is
This
the
is-
real application? What is the real application in the life? Where you have to use this one?
sir.
In the practical application, you know that? Where you have to use this one?
Sir, in the village, this is
Huh.
have and
In the village, this water pump is used as tube well, and
Okay. Very good.
and this fan help us to know how the anti-clockwise and clockwise direction works. Clockwise means how clock move, and anti-clockwise means a simple example. The number of Earth, Venus is rotate different from other planets. This is called anti-clockwise rotation.
Okay. By using this technology, you have to use in the forming basically.
Yes,
Yeah?
sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then okay. All the best.
And the third model is
What? What do you want to show?
and the third model is emergency light.
Emergency light.
Take it. This emergency light.
Put it properly and it's work.
This
Okay.
emergency light is mainly used in emergency when you are in emergency. You can on this light and people will know you are in emergency. This is mostly commonly used in the ambulances to tell the people
Okay.
the person who are in ambulance, he need an immediate help to the doctor. Thank you,
Okay,
and
very
have a
good.
nice day ahead.
But yes, by